Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Spider e-learning platform. Moving forward with the technical indicators, today we will discuss what is Williams percent range indicator, how to use Williams percent range indicator and a technical scanner on it. So what does this Williams percent range indicator defines? Let's check. Williams percent R ranges between 0 and minus 100. Wherein the 0 to minus 20 range is considered overbought, whereas the minus 80 to minus 100 range is deemed oversold. As such, the indicator provides insights into the strength or the weakness of a stock. The indicator is used in several capacities such as identifying overbought and oversold levels, confirming momentums, finding trade signals, etc. The indicator also compares the closing price of a stock to its high-low range over a given period of time, which is usually 14 days. The indicator is very similar to the stochastic oscillator and is used in the same way. It was developed by Larry Williams and it compares a stock's closing price to the high-low range over a specific period. Usually the period is 14 days. The difference between Williams percent R and the stochastic oscillator is Williams percent R represents a market's closing level versus the highest high for the look-back period. Conversely, the stochastic oscillator, which moves between 0 to plus 100, illustrates a market's close in relation to the lowest low. Now, what does the Williams percent R indicator indicates you? The indicator is telling a trader where the current price is relative to the highest high over the last 14 periods or whatever the number of period is chosen. When the indicator is between minus 20 and 0, the price is overbought or near to the high of its recent price range. And when the indicator is between minus 80 and minus 100, the price is oversold or far from the high of its recent range. When the price starts moving up and the indicator moves back above minus 80, it could signal that the uptrend in the price is starting again. The same concept could be used to find short trades in a downtrend. When the indicator is above minus 20, watch for the price to start falling along with the Williams percent R moving back below minus 20 to signal a potential continuation of the downtrend. Traders can also watch for the momentum failures. During a strong uptrend, the price will often reach minus 20 or above. If the indicator falls and then it can't get back above minus 20 before falling again, then the signal defines upward price momentum is in trouble and a bigger price decline could follow. The same concept applies to a downtrend. Reading of minus 80 or lower are often bearish. When the indicator can no longer reach those low levels before moving higher, it could indicate the price is going to head higher. Williams percent R moves between 0 and minus 100, which makes the minus 50 the midpoint. A Williams R indicator cross above minus 50 signals that prices are trading in the upper half of their high-low range for the given look-back period, which is bullish. Conversely, a cross below minus 50 means prices are trading in the bottom half of the given look-back period, which is bearish. Readings above minus 20 for the 14-day period, Williams percent R indicator would indicate that the underlying security was trading near the top of its 14-day high-low range. Readings below minus 80 occur when a security is trading at the low end of its high-low range. Default settings use minus 20 as the overbought thresholds and minus 80 as the oversold. These levels can be adjusted depending on the stock's character. Now let us see how to plot the Williams R indicator on the chart. Right click on the chart, select Add Study. Select Williams percent R indicator. By default, its parameter is period will be 14 and its average period is 10. Overbought and oversold levels are minus 20 and minus 18. Midpoint level we will select as minus 50. From display, we will increase the thickness of the indicator lines. Here the green line will indicate Williams indicator and red line is its average. In all time frame, add. Now let's start with the technical query. Condition 0 will be Williams percent R. Parameter will be by default. Select between -50 to -40. Check on end back bar 1. Add. Condition 1 will be Williams percent R by default parameter. Condition cutting averages upward. Check on end back bar 1. Add. Condition 2 will be average on OHLC VUT. Parameter will be simple 1. High offset will be -1. Condition price above average by X percentage. Here 0.01. Check on end back bar 0. Add. Condition 3 will be Williams percent R by default parameter. Condition above -40. Check on end back bar 0. This was for the buying side. Now condition 4 will be parameters will be by default. Condition is between -60 to -50. Check on end back bar 1. Add. Condition 5 is Williams percent R. Cutting averages downward. Check on end back bar 1. Condition 6 is average OHLC VUT. Your parameter will be simple 1. Average on we will take as low. Offset will be -1. Condition price below average by X percentage 0.01. Check on end back bar is 0. Condition 7 is Williams percent R. Parameter by default. Condition will be below value -60. Check on end back bar 0. Now create the relation of this condition. For buying it will be C0 and C1 and C2 and C3. For selling it will be C4 and C5 and C6 and C7. Description will be above 50 bullish, below 50 bearish. You can change its color to identify it more precisely. For bullish we will take it as green and for bearish we will take it as red. Take the relation, select the group and filter the conditions. So I am running this condition in Nifty 200. Here one stock has came in bullish side and the rest 5 has came in the bearish one. Now let us first understand what is the exact condition. The condition is in the previous candle the Williams indicator value should be between -50 to -40. Also it should be cutting the red line which is the average line in upward direction. You can see the value of Williams indicator in the previous candle is -47.42. Also it is cutting the red line in upward direction, the average line in upward direction. Once the high of this candle gets break, You will get an indication in this query. The high of this previous candle is 817. 817. Around 819 you will get indication in this condition. High it has shown of 829.50 till yet. You have to make your entry in the current candle itself. Almost 9 to 10 points movement it has shown in the current candle only. So this was the MFSL stock in the bullish side. Now let's check the result of bearish one, BPCL. So the condition is, in the previous candle the Williams percent indicators value should be between -50 to -60, which is -56.57 here. Also it should be cutting the red line, which is the average line, in downwards direction. Once the bottom of this candle gets crossed or break, you will get an indication in this query. The low of this previous candle is 330.35. Nearby 329 or 328 you will get an indication in this current candle. Low it has shown till yet is 320.15. Also in the current candle the value of Williams indicator is below -60, which is -95.48. Next stock is Divis Lab. In the previous candle the condition is getting satisfied. The Williams indicator is cutting the average red line in downwards direction. Also it is trading between -50 to -60. The low of the previous candle is 3590. The low of this candle is 3590. Nearby 3588 you will get this result in this query. Low it has shown till the other is 3560.10. Also the value of Williams indicator in the current candle is below -60, which is -68.36. Almost 25 से 28 पॉइंट्स का मोमेंटम दिया है इसने करंट कैंडल पर. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक इज प्रेस्टीज. प्रेस्टीज में भी सेम प्रीवियस कैंडल पर जैसे ही क्रॉसओवर हो रहा है विलियम्स इंडिकेटर एंड उसके एवरेज का, उसका लो ब्रेक होते ही विच इज 468, नियर बाय 467 और 466 यू विल गेट इंडिकेशन. लो इसने अभी तक 454 का आपको दिया है. Also the Williams indicator in the current candle is trading below -60, which is -81. Next stock is Tech Mahindra में भी you can see almost इसने 45 to 50 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट दिया है. रिजल्ट यहाँ पर आने के बाद, लो ब्रेक होने के बाद करंट कैंडल पे ऑलमोस्ट इसने 50 पॉइंट्स का तो यहाँ पे मूवमेंट दिया ही है. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक इज मेट्रोपोलिस. मेट्रोपोलिस में भी you can see previous candle में the value of Williams indicator was -59. It was cutting the red average line in downwards direction. The low of previous candle was 1405.75. So nearby 1403 you will get indication in the current candle in this technical query. Low it has shown till yet is 1357.25. मेट्रोपोलिस में भी मोर देन 40 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट सिंगल कैंडल पर ही यहाँ पे आपको दे दिया है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन यूज दिस क्वेरी फॉर द डेली ट्रेडिंग पर्पस. इफ आपको ये इंडिकेटर वीडियो पसंद आया हो या फिर ये क्वेरी यूजफुल लगी हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में फीडबैक जरूर दीजिए. फॉर एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग दिस वीडियो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी ऑन दिस गिवन नंबर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.